So, hello guys, welcome back to develabs.ai. So in this video we are going to connect and configure data for your app sheet and app. So if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai guys. So just log into our credentials, just copy your username and open your app sheet in your ignore mode. So click on Google here, so paste it here and click on next. Come back to your lab and copy a password here and come back to ignore mode and paste your password here and click on next. So click on I understand. So click on continue. So click on allow. So just come back to your app and click on task number one. So at task number one, right click on customer contacts app here, which will be underlined in blue title. So just open it in ignore mode. So come back to your app and just copy this customer contacts name here, app name. Just copy this and just come back. Click on copy app here and then just remove all this and just paste it here and click on copy app. So our task number one has been completed guys. Let me move for task number two. So now a copy of companies. So right click on this and open it in ignore mode. So click on make a copy. So after making a copy here, come back to your lab and just copy the name of companies. So copy this company's name here and without any full stop or a gap here and just change the name here. So guys, we have been changed the name here. So let me move for next task guys. Add the task. Add a task. So let me move for another lab. Add task number 4. So click on drive here, Google Drive. So right click on this and open it in ignore mode. So now guys, remove this and just come below here. Now click on my drive here. So you can see your app sheet name here. So click on this, click on data, click on customer contacts ID. So click on contact spreadsheet here. So and a spreadsheet will be opened of contacts guys. So just before that come to a lab. So I'll be providing link in the description. So get access of that link. So just download the raw file here of the spreadsheet link and just come back to a lab and just in the name of contacts click on this file here. Click on got it here. Now at the file here click on import. So click on this upload and click on browse here. So developers.ai, click on which you have recently downloaded guys. So click on open here. So import sorry. So we want to create a new spreadsheet, right? Do one thing, just replace here, replace a spreadsheet here and import data. So we have been importing data guys. So guys, now our next task is to come back here at the customer contacts and click on this data here and click on these three dots here for more. So click on this regenerate schema. So click on regenerate. So guys, every step has been completed guys. So let you check our progress guys. So come back to our lab and let you check out task number one, check my progress guys. Click on check my progress here. So task number one has been completed. Let me move for next task number two. So task number two also completed guys. Let me move for directly towards task number 4. Click on check my progress here. So task number 4 also completed guys. Let me move for task number 5. Click on check my progress here. So task number 5 also successfully completed. So let us end this lab. So before ending this lab, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. Thank you.